Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Bangkok. Guys, we got a great day. Looks like all the markets are pumping. So let's jump into the content without any further delay. It's a absolute great time to be alive, guys. So let's get into the content without any further delay. We're absolutely pumping right now. So we're seeing all the markets are up. So this is a great time. We got some big news, big Dogecoin news, big Bitcoin news. So let's get it. Let's jump into it right now. Let's get it. Woo! Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl coming to you live from Bangkok, Thailand, guys. This is our evening time, drive time update, and we're going to talk about three things that are going to be very important for July, and these indicators could break or make cryptocurrency, guys. And we're going to talk about what these indicators are and why they're so important to you and me out there. So guys, you got to buckle up and watch this video to the end, guys. So I'm pumped, I'm psyched. Right now we're seeing that the crypto markets have been going uppity up right now, and things are looking pretty positive overall. We did see that Bitcoin was got pretty close to 21,000, got a little bit rejected. So I'm going to talk to you about some of the support and resistance levels for Bitcoin. We're going to talk about Dogecoin. Looks like Dogecoin could be seeing a huge pumpity pump coming in right now. We could still have this whole bump and run play that could be playing out, and that could take a Dogecoin uppity up. So we're going to talk about that and much more, guys and gals. If you are watching this, remember, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. I'm just an OG providing education, entertainment in-house, guys. So I'm on the rooftop of my apartment on the 33rd floor here in downtown Bangkok, guys. It's a great time to be alive. So you guys can actually, let's go take a look at the view, guys. Let's go do it. Let's absolutely go take a look at the view. You can see the view right here. It's a great view up here on the rooftop of my apartment in Bangkok, guys. So it's looking pretty good, looking interesting out there, guys. You can see the SkyTrain over there. So that is absolutely excellent. So it's a great time to be live. So I'll just give you a little bit of insight of what's going on up here. So from that perspective, guys, let's get into it. Let's absolutely get into it. I'm gonna jump into the hot seat, guys. I'm jumping in the hot seat right now. Hey, I'm back, guys and gals. So do go back and watch some of my previous videos. I really appreciate that. I love it. And so from that perspective, let's take a look at what's going on with the pre-markets right now. So the U.S. pre-markets are open. This is the first time they've been open since the July 4th long weekend out there. Congratulations, America. Happy birthday out there. So that's a great time to be alive. So right now we're seeing that the pre-markets are looking pretty red overall. Everything's about 0.5% down from that perspective. We're seeing the fear and greed indexes up compared to where it was yesterday. So I think that tomorrow we could be seeing it even going higher and higher out there. Remember, this is a contrarian indicator out there. So you definitely want to be buying the dips and dollar cost averaging. That's what I have been doing. Tomorrow's my big DCA day. Not tomorrow, I mean Thursday's my big DCA day. The OG's losing track of time out there. So right now, the heat map in the house, we're seeing that Bitcoin is up 1.53%. That's at 19,761. So I got a feeling by the time you're watching this, we could actually see some of those gains gone, because we're seeing the pre-markets are not looking too good. The ethereum gains are pretty healthy right now, so that's up almost 5%. So this is incoming right now. So Celsius has lowered its liquidation value out there. So as you guys know, that Celsius did in fact sell a whole bunch of their cryptocurrency yesterday and today, and what they're doing is they're bringing their liquidation down to a reasonable level. So right now we can see the crypto lender Celsius lowered its chances of getting liquidated as the company actively repays outstanding debts out there. So Celsius paid off nearly 142 million in the loan since July 1st, further reducing the wrap BTC price from 11,800 now down to 4,967. So that is pretty good news in the last 24 hours. So maybe Celsius will continue and open up withdrawals, guys. So I mean, I'm not trying to spread FUD, but if Celsius does open up its withdrawals, definitely I would, if it was me out there, I'd definitely be moving my crypto off Celsius and be moving into a hardware wallet out there, or software wallet, guys. I mean, I just don't trust these lending platforms, because they over leveraged, they had very poor risk management, and there's no telling that maybe cryptocurrency could continue to go down. If so, is their risk management suddenly going to change? They're going to have like an epiphany out there, and suddenly they're going to become the darling of risk management. So I wouldn't trust them. What I would be doing is I'd be taking my crypto off the platform, not financial advice, of course, and I would be waiting on the sidelines, and maybe 6 months, a year from now, if they're still around and there's been no issues, then maybe I'd put it back. But what happened is they got greedy, and people were thinking that they could stake their crypto and get a huge APY, and that failed for them. They didn't have any risk management. We're seeing more and more crypto lending platforms have collapsed, or if not collapsed, stop withdrawals, like Voyager out there, Vault yesterday from Singapore as well. So from that perspective, guys and gals, just be careful out there. And if you're looking for a hardware wallet, go follow my links right here. And remember, none of this is financial advice. I've got my links to the Tracer and the Ledger wallet out there. So now Ledger is my favorite right now. So guys, get it while you can. Looks like amid crypto winter, Binance is looking to acquire 50 to 100 more companies. So that is pretty good news from that perspective. If you're a Binance user, it just goes to show that Binance out there is absolutely the biggest crypto platform, crypto exchange out there. So if you do have your crypto on Binance, I don't think there's any chance of crypto going bye-bye overnight. So I mean, I'm pretty confident. I do have, like I said, I've taken 99% of my crypto off exchange and lending platforms, but the majority that I do have left out there is on Binance, Crypto.com, and Luno out there. So I've kept a spattering, and also Swissborg out there. So you guys can go down there and also check out my referral links to there too, guys. I think there's some cash backs or something. I can't remember. I'm not really sure. So guys, crypto community is eyeing 3 macro events that could tip the crypto's scales in July. So there's 3 key things that are happening in July that you guys got to keep an eye on. One of those is July 13th. We're going to see the inflation CPI data coming out, and right now, so we're absolutely hoping that the CPI data will come out better than expected. If that happens, then we could be seeing $28,000 Bitcoin coming in. So blurry chart, but we're looking to see if 28,000 can come in. There's a chance that 20,000 could be flipped, and even I'd be eyeing 23,000. So if the CPI data does come out in a good light, we could be definitely seeing that Bitcoin could flip up, and that would be a really good sign. The other big thing that's happening is also we have the on July 26th and 27th, we had Fed interest rate hikes, and as we all know that they were 75 basis points. And one of the reasons that that the Fed is increasing the interest rate is because they want to slow down the economy, because they believe that they slow down the economy, that is going to help fight inflation. I don't believe in that, but like I said, it can place downward pressure on high-risk assets such as crypto as investors start to earn decent returns by just parking their money in interest-bearing accounts. So we could be seeing that if the rate hikes do go up, we could be seeing, definitely from that perspective, crypto could actually go down some more. So looks like a July 75 basis hike would take us to about 2.25 to 2.50 in-house. If September we have 50 basis points, we could be seeing about 2.75 to 3% total for the year. If November we have another 50 basis points, we could be seeing anywhere from 3.25 to 3.50 as a top out. And December, if we have a 25 basis points, we could be seeing that the final interest rates for the year could be around about 3.5 to 3.75%. So I mean, in terms of returns, it's not much, but if you do increase the rates, what's going to happen is that people are going to move out of high risk and just park their money and get some interest, guys. Also too, on July 28th, we have another indicator out there that is going to be the GDP report, and that's going to be a telling tale to tell us if we're actually in recession or not. So after registering a 1.6% GDP decline in Q1, looks like we're going to get the next Q2 growth figures out, and we are now expecting minus 2.1% decline in GDP. So if that happens, declining in GDP, increased unemployment, then that's going to confirm that we're absolutely in recession, boys and girls. So from that perspective, you're going to have to buckle up out there. So let's take a look at what's going on right now with the Doge right now. So it looks like 79% chance Doge will extend its rebound, and we got this huge bump and run. I did talk about it before. So right now it looks like Doge is getting pretty much close to validating this bump and run again. So right now Doge is trading around about at time of recording, Doge is trading around about 6 in-house, and you guys can see that Doge has basically had this descending funnel line, and we keep getting hit at this resistance here, and we keep going down, we keep bouncing in this funnel area here. So it looks like we did bounce out of this funnel line, we did get rejected. So if that's the case, then we could be seeing ourselves going back down to like 4 cents in a house. So we really need a Doge to basically break out of this funnel, and if that happens, then we could have a nice bump and run, take us up to 10 cents. So we need to keep an eye on that, because if Doge cannot break out of the top side of this funnel, then we could be going down to 4 cents. So that's what's been happening on the daily time frames right now. So let's keep an eye on what Doge is going to happen. So I think right now the way things are looking, I think we have about a 60% chance going up to the upside, nice bumper and run pattern, or we could break down and see ourselves going down to 4 cents, guys. So just invest wisely, plan for the worst, 4 cents, plan for the best, and we could be seeing 10 cents, a nice bumper run pattern coming in right now. So right now, if we take a look at what's happening in the Bitcoin monthly returns, we're seeing that right now July is down about 1.17% so far. In my previous video, we're up about 1%, so you can see that there's some definite volatility out there. Let's take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin right now. So Bitcoin at time recording is at $19,729. Bitcoin is also forming a descending funnel, which is often bearish, often bullish, and we have been going down right here, and we did start to break out here. We started to paint higher lows, and we did break out at the bottom of the funnel, and we did have a nice breakout, and now we're seeing that right now we're seeing about 19,600 support level, and we definitely need to break past the 21,700. So that is what is our next big resistance target. That is huge resistance. We've seen that we did go above that back in June, but we did get rejected, and that's what started this whole downward trend. So hopefully that we can get a reversal. So 21,700 is our big resistance, big target, and then we have an intermediate target about $21,000. So we did get a huge rejection around about 20,400. So let's just keep on keeping on. From my perspective, I think that we have about a 50% chance right now of breaking to the upside and getting past 21,000. And to confirm that we're going to be breaking up to 21.6, we need to have at least $21,000 breakout above the 21,000 resistance for at least 24 hours to confirm a breakout. So right now it's kind of 50-50 if we're going to go up or we're going to go down. And I'm just calling it like it is, guys. So this is also coming in right now. You can see that if you look at the housing inventory in Phoenix, Arizona, basically there's about 125% more houses on sale right now than buyers. So there's more sellers than buyers right now. So Phoenix, Arizona has now more homes for sale in 2022 than it did in the pandemic start. 125% inventory surge in 2 months, guys, and buyers are gone, sellers are desperate. That is what started the housing crisis in 2008. Let's hope we don't have a repeat of that, because that will send the markets down, down. Looks like we're seeing that a lot of the Indian Bitcoin platforms and crypto exchanges have suffered huge losses. Trading volume on 3 major Indian crypto exchanges plummeted almost 72.5% on an average July 1st, when a 1% tax per transaction was initiated and enforced in the country. So, India is a really Debbie Downer place for crypto. They're taxing the crap out of it. They got capital gains almost about 28%, and every time you do any kind of a transaction on a centralized exchange, you're going to get hammered with 1% tax. So, if you're one of my Indian subscribers, guys, get your crypto off centralized exchanges, get it onto hardware wallets, and if you're going to do any exchanges, definitely be using DeFi out there like Uniswap or something like that, and then you're not going to have to pay these exorbitant, ridiculous fees out there. So guys, get your crypto off exchanges. So it looks like this is coming in from Mustache. It looks like Bitcoin cryptocurrencies total market cap calm before the storm. And if you look at the comparison between 2014 and 2018, you're going to see that these patterns are very, very similar. And when we had this retest here, we did see that in 2014 to 2018, we did have a huge pump to the upside. So it looks like things are looking pretty similar right now. The only real difference is the amount of time between this retest and this retest. We're seeing that this retest is much longer, so hopefully that will validate a huge rocket ride to the upside. So definitely by 2024 we're going to be seeing a huge Bitcoin pump. We're going to be seeing cryptocurrencies pump like crazy, guys. So it's going to be craziness out there. So I think that once the correction is over, it will be absolutely legendary in the incoming months and years. So we could see months before we have a huge explosion, or it could be years, guys. So you guys just have to buckle up, have diamond hands and dollar cost average. Never invest more than you're willing to lose out there. So this is coming in from Plan C. It looks like 60% of all BTC profit average buy price is at 7.5, and then 40% of BTC is in loss with an average buy price of 43.5. So you're seeing that 60% of all the Bitcoin holders right now are still in profit, and about 40% of you are out of profit, and with an average buy price of about 43.50. So this is going to start to flip. The 40% is going to start to decline as a Bitcoin goes uppity up out there, guys and gals. So from that perspective, you can see that the DXY is going insane right right now. The DXY is way too high, and we just hit an all-time high for DXY, so that is not too good in the house. So if you take a look at the Bitcoin USD, it's still trading at 19,744. If you take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly, we're still seeing a nice weekly green candle. We got about 5 days and 14 hours. We're still below the minor capitulation line, so we need to get above that. If you take a look at DXY, we just printed an all-time high there, so this is not good for Bitcoin, absolutely not good. And also too, if you take a look at the Shiba Weeby right now, we're seeing that Shiba Weeby right now is at about 10,026, and it's really kind of unchanged. Also doing the crabby walk right now, so it's about to hit my upward trending line, and if it respects that, then we could go up. If it doesn't respect that, then we're going to be going down like the Titanic out there. So let's take a look at what's going on with Ethereum. Ethereum right now is also doing the crabby walk. It's trading at about 1128 in the house, and we got some huge resistance 1200. Until we break past 1200 in the house, we are just going to continue going sideways. That's exactly what's going to be happening. So let's take a look at the total. Let's take a look at the leverage apes in the house, guys. Let's get the leverage apes happening. So internet in Bangkok, it sucks right now. It's just atrocious here. We're seeing about $180 million worth of wreckage out there, and that's about 53,000 traders. And we're seeing that right now for Bitcoin on the hourly, we're seeing mainly short, so that's pretty good. That could continue to pump Bitcoin up, guys. But I have a feeling that once the markets open in the US, we could be seeing that the cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin, everything could be going down. I hope I'm wrong. So guys, let's get it. So let's take a look at total market cap right now. So we're seeing the total market cap is just about 909 billion, and we're seeing the volume is about 54.44 billion, and the Bitcoin dollars has slightly come down a little bit. So let's take a look at the coins in the house right now. So we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is up about 1.45%. It's given up some of its gains from my earlier video. We're seeing Ethereum right now is at 5.08%. And we're seeing that BNB, the beast coin out there, is up 3%. And we're seeing that XRP is up 1%. I'm talking about XRP. And we're seeing that ADA is at 45 cents in the house. That's slightly down. That's probably going to go neutral soon. Solana Wana is up about 3%. We're seeing Doge is about 0.5% up. There's no telling where this goes. When the market's open, we could go flip green, flip red. It's really hard to tell right now. So that's going to bring this video to a close, guys. Remember, this is a good time to be buying the dips. If you look at the dips, guys, if you see the 30 days, you see most of the coins are down double digits, guys. Absolutely down double digits. I think there's some really good pickups. The layer ones like Avalanche, Matic, DOT is good. Solana. These are all very good pickups, guys. You may want to consider those happening. And let's hopefully that the three main indicators that we talked about, CPI data is going to be good. Let's hope that the recession data is good out there. So let's hopefully, and that the rate hikes are not more than expected. So hopefully the markets can recover, guys. So from that perspective, guys, do go boop the likes. I would appreciate it. And I just want to thank everybody for smashing likes. Thank you very much. And guys, please comment, guys. Big comment out there. How much Dogecoin are you holding? Social experiment. And what price did you buy? And guys, are you going to be holding, or are you going to be selling, guys? I'd love to hear what you got to say. So smash down a like and create a comment, guys. Don't forget to go and follow my links down below. Check out the Dogecoin Tip Jar and check out my link to the Now Ledger, guys. Definitely want to be getting your crypto off centralized exchanges and lending platforms. Definitely want to be doing that. It's hugely important that you do that. And guys, don't forget to get the merch, gear over the OG gear, get the hat, get the mug, guys. Buy the hoodies, buy the t-shirts. It all goes to charity, guys. I just want to say God bless each and every one of you out there. Be well, be blessed. Have a great evening, have a great morning, have a great whatever you're doing. I just want to say thank you very much to the community. I love you guys. Thank you for sticking with the OG too, thick and thin. I know it's hard, when you see this crazy old guys being positive all the time, and you look in your portfolio and it's like not good. Guys, hold strong. We will get there together. I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. Peace out.